Hi everyone, and join me as I show you how I cook my special pork caldereta. So after washing the meat, I started preparing all the ingredients. First off, with slicing all the veggies. We have potatoes, carrots, bell pepper. I also added some hot dogs and chorizo bilbao for added flavor. In a heated pan, I poured in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and sauteed garlic, onions, and then eventually added all the meat. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure na lalabas yung natural juices niya before we add some water para po pampalambot ng mga ng karne. So after checking if malambot na yung karne, add the tomato paste, tomato sauce, and then season it with pork cubes and pepper. And then before I forget, lagay na ho natin yung ating butter. Then after a while, so kapag kumulo na ho siya, just add in all the rest of the ingredients. We have pineapple tidbits, pickles, garbanzos, chorizo bilbao, then potatoes, carrots. Then instead of using liver spread, I always use peanut butter. Kakaiba ho yung lasa niya kapag peanut butter yung ating nilagay. And then lastly, we have black olives, then hot dog, bell pepper, and then kapag ho pinatay na ho natin yung apoy, saka na ho natin ilagay yung cheese. So there you have it, my special pork caldereta.